Halo teman-teman, gue Adi dari Adi Gamers. Kali ini kita akan memainkan walkthrough Assassin's Creed Rogue. Oke, langsung saja kita memainkan.
Stay my blade from the flesh of the innocent. Hide in plain sight. Never compromise the Assassin Brotherhood. These are the tenets of the creed, the principles I used to live by. I was a young man then. The 7 Years' War was about to begin.
Sama seperti Assassin's Black Flag, kita di sini menjadi menjadi seorang bajak laut, tapi misinya tetap di jalan, bukan di laut. Kebanyakan di jalan. Cuma kalau untuk berpindah tempat itu ke naik kapal.
Well, we won't lack for firewood at least.
Admit it, I nearly had you.
Nearly counts for nothing, Shay. And besides, no. That was just luck.
I make my own
Untuk segi grafik sendiri,
You've been saying that for years, but your
untuk
precious
di
little to show for it.
zaman perilisannya
How have you
udah
been spending it all getting out of trouble?
lumayan istimewa,
trouble just follows me
sama
around.
seperti Black Flag.
Let's head back. Come on. Captain Deliver Andre and his crew must have run into some trouble. Who knew meeting with smugglers would lead to no good?
I still don't understand why you can't tell me what we're doing here.
Because Chevalier...
Di Assassin's Creed ini kita unsur memungut itu adalah hal yang wajib, soalnya untuk bisa mengupgrade apapun yang dibutuhkannya. Ya mungkin seperti kapal atau apalah, kapal, senjata, perlengkapan, dan lain-lain gitu. Sangat dibutuhkan sekali untuk
Am I going too fast for you?
I'm just keeping an eye on you in case you fall down and hurt yourself.
apa ya? Ya itu perlengkapan gitu. Seperti biasa kita akan mensynchronize untuk membuka map. Jadi kita bisa tahu apakah ada barang-barang yang bisa diambil atau enggak. Contohnya seperti ini, gambar pedang ini.
A good day's hunting.
Oh, fucking sword, lumayan. Istilahnya seperti harta karun.
We best not keep Chevalier waiting.
Ya mungkin masih ada yang ketinggalan sih.
Where the hell were you two?
We're out hunting. What happened here?
My men were attacked by some English sea dogs.
Why, Captain Joseph, couldn't you fight them all off by yourself like you're always saying?
It is Capitaine Louis-Joseph Gauthier, Chevalier de la Vérendrye. And you are dreaming if you think any training could make you into a proper assassin. Do you even know what that means? It means being responsible for an ancient and proud tradition. It means obeying your mentor without question. How else
Oh
would
ya
you
lupa,
freedom to
maaf
the
kalau
human race?
misal
Them's pretty words, Chevalier. But I don't feel too free at the moment.
soalnya gini,
Feel educated.
soalnya saya nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, maklum orang Jawa gitu. Jadi ini teman kita marah tentara kita dibasmi oleh tentara Inggris.
Rat-brained cabbage farmer. I will teach you some manners, boy.
Gentlemen, stop!
Dan teman kita ini sangat marah sekali karena kita nggak,
and I reckon he's close.
sebenarnya kita nggak membantu dia untuk
We are stranded, and what is worse,
pertempuran ini.
smugglers we were supposed to meet have been taken prisoner.
Shay and I'll free those smugglers. You treat your wounded. Take these. You'll need them.
Lumayan mendapat pedang sama pisau. Mumpung gratisan.
Tread with care, Shay. The Royal Navy be ready for us. Remember your training.
Ntar bos, saya mau mungut dulu. Apa aja bisa dipungut.
Ready to teach him a lesson?
They don't stand a chance.
Where are your mates now, you bilge rat? Talk before I bash out your brains. We will find them and let them bury what's left of you.
Keep an eye out, lads. Their pals are still out there somewhere.
There he goes again.
Trup. Ketahuan. Nggak kelihatan. Trok. Dade. Seperti biasa kita memungut. Ilmu pungut-mengungut jangan dilupakan. Soalnya ini penting sekali. Dan di sini ada ada dua cecunguk di sini. Kita akan habisi untuk menyelamatkan tentara kita. Nah,
Many thanks. I thought I'd be hanged.
Happy hunting, lads. Set her ablaze. Sink that French vessel. No match for you. Ha ha! Yeah! Yeah!
You there! Get down! There! After!
aduh deh, aduh. Main keroyokan. Mampus lu. Trup. Rasakan. Aduh. Ada sedikit kesalahan, harusnya nggak seperti ini. Wah, yang satu jatuh. Gak apalah. Ilmu mengutisme. Ya, duh. Gila. Dari mana aja tadi teman kita?
I was saving those fellas for you.
Very thoughtful.
Maybe you were not completely useless, Shay.
Speaking of useless, those
Sadis.
blockheads won't be needing this vessel anymore.
This pile of merde. You want her, Shay? She is yours. Now bring me back to my ship.
You heard, Chevalier? This vessel is yours, Shay.
Dan sepertinya kita mendapatkan sebuah kapal
Some of the men you rescued agreed to join us. They should prove a
yang
good
akan
crew.
kita
I'm
gunakan
not so certain about your
untuk
captain. Next to me,
berjalan-jalan.
you are the most experienced sailor in the Brotherhood, Shay. Besides, we could use another vessel. Even this pitiful one.
She's mine, ain't she? My own ship.
Your own pile of garbage.
Sebagai catatan di sini kalau kita
With a lick of
di laut
paint
kita
and a
bisa
few new
mendapatkan
cannons, she'll
kru
look as fine as anything on the seven seas.
sama bahan-bahan untuk perlengkapan kapal dan perlengkapan persenjataan.
Indeed, mate.
Itu pun sampai terlupakan.
Now,
She's a mess, but she's still afloat. And her name's the Morgan.
Morgane? That silly fairy queen who ruined Merlin, the wise? Oh, she's perfect.
Morrigan was an old goddess, queen of war and darkness. She harvested the souls of fallen warriors. Perfect indeed.
A ship! Shen, they will sink her!
Let's put the Morrigan to the
Dan
test,
di sini
Captain
misi
Shay.
kita untuk menyelamatkan kapal dari teman kita yang sedang dia di babi buta. Oh shit. Gak kena Mac. Jauh. Aduh. Aduh. Oh. Untung kena.
They're tearing her to pieces! Do something! Short sail! Get off the squall! Oh shit!
Sip. Tinggal 3. Oke. Aduh.
Fire!
Nice. Aduh. Dikit.
Now! Captain! We have trouble on the tail!
Kabum.
Straight to the
Oh.
deep!
Sial. Ini mesti kena. Ini harus koit. Ya.
I will return to what is left of the Yaku. It's a long way
Mission
home.
success.
We have repairs to do.
Misi sukses.
Chevalier is pleased with us.
Dan kita berhasil menyelamatkan kapal si teman kita ini.
What course would you have me set, Shay?
Time to report back to the mentor. Wouldn't you agree?
Wise words, Captain. Wise words.
Assassin's Creed Row.
What the hell did you do? It's some kind of dormant virus? Shit! Hang on, I'm getting you out of there.
Please proceed calmly to the nearest exit. We repeat, please remain calm. Do not panic.
Sorry for the rough exit. Your piece working? Check. You were just an Animus. Animus, yes? You were using it to access a genetic memory file in Helix labeled Shay Cormac? You work for Abstergo Entertainment, remember? Any of this ringing a bell? Your session triggered something bad, and it's affecting the whole building. We need to find your boss. You haven't forgotten your boss, have you? Melanie LeMay, zipper, chipper, overachiever? Here, take your communicator, check it if you got lost. Now let's get out of here.
Kalau kalian misalnya pernah main Assassin's Creed dari Assassin's Creed 1, itu dimana kita memainkan game yang di dalam gamenya juga memainkan game. Jadi istilahnya game di dalam game. Itulah Assassin, dan di sini perusahaan bernama Abstergo. Dan yang sedang memainkan ini ternyata juga seorang assassin yang dulu itu di Assassin's Creed pertama itu namanya siapa saya lupa. Itu dia juga seorang assassin. Tuh, kalau Assassin's Creed 1 saya gua belum main, tapi kalau Assassin's Creed 2 sampai seterusnya gua main terus. Dari Assassin's Creed 2, Brotherhood, Revelation, terus Brotherhood, Assassin's Creed 3, Liberation, dan lain-lain dimainkan. Dan ternyata di Abstergo Entertainment ini kemasukan virus dan membuat alur game menjadi berbeda. Dan ini sepertinya kita disuruh untuk memperbaiki virus, untuk menghilangkan virus. Jadi supaya alur dari cerita game ini nggak begitu ngawur. Oke, sekarang kita dokumen, lumayan. Sekarang kita di mana nih? Oh, sini. Untuk memperbaiki server yang ada di sini. Ya, ini dia. Ini dia, kita disuruh istilahnya hacking. Setelah hacking, di sini kita harus menyatukan biru-biru ini, jangan sampai berwarna merah. Kalau misal sampai berwarna merah akhirnya gagal, kalau biru berhasil. Nah, hacking berhasil.
The assassins would have you believe that Al-Mualim was a great mentor who became corrupted with greed, and that he schemed with the Templars to acquire an apple of Eden.
Al-Mualim, assassin generasi pertama, itu mentor dari Assassin's Creed pertama. Assassin's Creed terhebat, dan di Assassin's Creed pertama itu aktornya ditakuti oleh Al-Mualim. Soalnya aktor yang di Assassin's Creed pertama itu memang mempelajari ilmu assassin itu serius, jadi ditakutin sama Al-Mualim.
For if the so-called wise man of the mountain can see things
Dan
from our point of view,
Altair itu adalah
the same can be said
guru dari
for other assassins.
Al-Mu'alim. Kalau nggak salah lo ya. Dan sepertinya kita akan kembali di meja kerja kita. Meja kerja. Istilahnya meja kerja. Ya kan? Return to your animus.
And you could, in theory, find some more digital goodies if you know, feel like being sneaky.
Aduh. Ya, muter.
Hey, one of your coworkers dropped his communicator by the elevator. If you see any tech lying around like that, grab them. There might be someone who did this.
Ini
Now that you have
adalah action figure dari
we stand on the brink of a grand discovery.
Assassin's Creed Black Flag.
I know you must
Widih,
have questions about your new assignment.
ada printer, buku, video game, buku assassin.
Story contains the answers. Shay will lead you to a greater understanding.
Far Cry 3. Ini dia Black Flag. Connor, kok Connor, siapa namanya? Lupa saya. Edward ya, Edward Kenway. Dan Edward Kenway itu bajak yang menyamar menjadi assassin. Kembali ke Davenport Homestead.
It has been a long time.
Achilles.
Adewale, how go things in the West Indies?
Very poorly, I'm afraid.
Your countenance tells me we should discuss this. Come.
Who's our visitor?
That's Adewale. He's a slave who freed himself, and hundreds of his brothers in the West Indies. That man's a living incarnation of the Creed.
See?
You join me for some practice?
Soon. I've got other business first.
Tell me what happened. It was terrible, Achilles. The ground shook, and the ocean waves crashed over Port-au-Prince. How many were lost? Thousands. No family was left untouched. I hate to bring up practical matters.
Sebelum melanjutkan misi kita harus dilatih dulu untuk menjadi lebih. Sebelum dilatih pun juga udah menguasai sebetulnya. Tapi ya namanya juga game kan, kita harus mengikuti peraturan ini.
You are late.
Oh, what did I miss? Only the first hour of training. We're always training, Kisagawase, and we'll continue to do so.
Do not waste your words. Shay abhors improvement as much as cats abhor leashes.
Hey.
A pity. The boy has so much potential. But so little discipline.
All right. What would you have me do?
Well played.
Complete your training. Yang pertama ini ya.
So, what's the challenge today?
Shooting straight and true.
Belajar menembak,
You can use these.
bukan
These
menembak
are yours.
gebetan loh.
I want you to have half
Ini
a chance
menembak
to succeed.
sasaran.
Go on.
Kalau menembak gebetan gak pakai senjata api, pakai kata-kata.
These targets. You can take your time. Not too much. We've more work after this.
Bentar. Free. tools free IM ini kita kasih apa ya? Y mungkin. Oke. Tuh.
Reload. Anyone can hit targets standing still. Let's see how you do it.
James listen complete.
Come on.
Reload. Nice. Reload. Nice. Naik. Dar. Reload. Kurang 2. Aduh, lupa reload. Aduh.
You're almost there.
Nah.
Well done, Shay. Keep it up. You're doing all right, Shay. But don't let the others vex you. They mean well.
Training menembak
Never show it.
berhasil. Sekarang
It's about time
ke
you showed up.
sini.
Far be it from
Ke
me to
cewek
keep a lady
ini.
waiting.
I'm no lady here. Don't you forget it. I'm your teacher. And you're better.
Well, some of that is true at least. What would we be doing?
Exploring a myriad ways to end a life. You two! Make yourselves useful and watch Shay. Can you kill without
Dan
being
kita
noticed?
disuruh belajar membunuh tanpa diketahui sama teman kita ini. Oke.
Top form.
Hashtag complete.
Attack from around a corner and your target will never know what hit it.
Laris complete. Sekarang jauh banget. Salah lihat kau. Salah lihat, gak ada siapa-siapa di sini. Tuh kan, salah lihat.
Stay low and stick to the brush.
Nah, kurang
Be
satu.
patient and you might hit your target.
Kok? Loh, kok? Oh. Salah lihat, gak ada siapa-siapa kok. Salah lihat mungkin.
You certainly know how to handle yourself.
Brush. Oke. Sekarang naik. Aduh. Dan
Nicely done.
berhasil.
I am surprised. You did better than I expected. Have your skills actually grown, Shay? Do not get a swelled head over it.
Dan sekarang ke Kesegowase.
Better go now. The others will be waiting.
Shay, follow me. It's time you learn to survive in the frontier.
I think I've been managing well enough so far.
Perhaps. But there is more I can teach you.
It is time for the hunt.
Sekarang locate the animal. Cari binatang, cari binatang. Oh,
Use all your senses together to find prey.
Eagle vision. Ada rusa. Kill the elk. Elk. Tulisannya elk, bacanya il.
Killing should not be meaningless.
Sekarang skin.
Nature gives us. Good. Now to use what you
Saya
have
sekarang
taken from nature.
craft pistol holsters. Membuat tempat pistol. Craft pistol holster. Confirm. Selesai.
With these, you can keep your pistols close. Achilles has one more thing to show you.
Dan sekarang selesai.
Shay, I hear you've become quite the
Akhirnya kita mendapatkan sebuah,
Generous gift.
bukan sebuah sih,
Mentor.
double pistol,
My ship
double
awaits,
gun,
Achilles.
double
People of
gun.
Haiti will make good use of your supplies. I trust you will retrieve what has been lost. Lost?
The Templars stole 2 precious artifacts. A manuscript of ancient wisdom and a box that allows one to understand its language.
I have tracked the Templar as far as this coast, but I fear the rest is up to you, my friend.
Farewell, Adewale. Whoever controls the artifacts can access precursor sites of power. We must recover them, or none are safe.
Oke, sepertinya kita sudah selesai untuk misi part kali ini. Terima kasih telah menyaksikan walkthrough ini, dan akan saya lanjutkan di walkthrough selanjutnya. Bye.